Oh shit! Oh shit! Just missed it.
The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a flash flood warning for Kenosha County in southeastern Wisconsin, western Racine County in southeastern Wisconsin until 3 p.m. At 11:52 a.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Kenosha, Pleasant Prairie, Union Grove, Paddock Lake, Camp Lake, Wind Lake, Twin Lakes, Rochester, Wheatland, Yorkville, Silver Lake, Eagle Lake, Browns Lake, Waterford North, Salem, Burlington, Waterford, Bristol, Paris, and Brighton. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Damn. This is my second ever flash flood warning.